that is it. You've decided to become a game developer and join this fun and exciting industry. However, you are presented with a choice: become a Unity or Unreal Engine developer, and you're not sure on what to do. Well, in this video, you're going to find out everything that you need to know about the two engines, the different career paths, as well as the main differences between the two areas. Be sure to subscribe for more content like this. First of all, both engines are amazing with functionality that they come with. However, in certain cases, one engine will be better than the other. Well, first of all, we will talk about the graphics and the visuals, and not surprisingly, but Unreal Engine does take a win here with its cutting-edge rendering capabilities. It provides advanced rendering pipelines, physical-based rendering, dynamic writing, as well as real-time global illumination, which just looks amazing. Whenever there is a public event for Unreal Engine where they show the latest technological advancements, I'm just blown away with what they were able to achieve. However, this does not mean that it's impossible to achieve the same level of graphics in Unity. It is definitely possible to do so, but it just doesn't come out of the box right away for you to start using it. You will need to proceed with a lot of additional steps that you will have to do in order to achieve the same level of graphics and visuals just like in Unreal Engine. But now let's talk about the learning curve, and throughout time, Unity was always considered to be an easier option out of the two engines. It has an intuitive, user-friendly interface, a lot of learning materials available on the web, and a large community. In terms of programming languages, Unity has C#, which is a very powerful but a pretty easy language to learn. Whereas with Unreal Engine, it comes with C++, which will definitely give you more control, flexibility, and performance, but it's just very hard for beginners to grasp. However, with the introduction of the Blueprint system, Unreal Engine was able to overcome this challenge. This adaptation of visual scripting resulted in easier development process, which caused the Unreal Engine community to grow like never before. Right now, I would say that both engines are pretty equal when it comes to learning materials and the community. So either of the options is good when it comes to learning it for the first time. If you're enjoying this video so far, give it a like because it will help me a lot to grow this channel further and create more content like this. And now let's talk about the platform support, and if Unreal Engine outshines Unity in terms of graphics and visuals, while Unity does take an edge when it comes to platform support. Not only does Unity has a slight edge when it comes to platform compatibility, but it comes optimized right out of the box. And this becomes highly important when we start to consider development for mobile devices and for various headsets of virtual, augmented, and mixed realities. This is because for these platforms, squeezing every last bit of performance matters a lot for a great user experience. Also, this optimized performance is important when it comes to creating MVPs, POCs, prototypes, and people who are starting their startups would appreciate this a lot. But once again, this does not mean that you won't be able to optimize your game using Unreal Engine. It will just take more time and effort to do so. And now we will talk about the career opportunities. And from my personal experience, Unity always had an edge when it came to the demand on the market. However, in the last 1 or 2 years, Unreal Engine not only caught up to Unity, but became a very strong competitor. The number of job openings for Unreal Engine developers skyrocketed, and now there is definitely no shortage. However, I cannot say which engine has more job positions open because everything varies by country. From my research that I've done on LinkedIn, in the United States, the number of job positions is pretty equal. However, if we take Germany, for example, there are 200 job positions that are open for Unity and more than 1,000 that are open for Unreal Engine developers. Therefore, it is crucial for you to research the demand for each type of position in your particular country. And don't just use LinkedIn, use other popular employment online platforms available in your area. So then there is a final question: what to choose? So let's break it down. Unity is ideal when it comes to the development of mobile games and small indie projects. It is also a great choice when it comes to creating 2D games. If you're interested in fast prototyping, creating MVPs and POCs, once again, Unity is the better option for you. And lastly, it's a definite winner when it comes to cross-platform development. So what about Unreal Engine? What is it ideal for? Well, first of all, if you're interested in creating high-end AAA titles with top-notch visuals, well, this is a definite choice for you. This is also a great option when it comes to creating large-scale projects and open-world games. Also, if your main focus is on creating cinematic experiences, well, there is no other better option. And that is it. And as always, there is no definite answer on whether Unity or Unreal Engine is a better choice. Both of the engines have proven themselves to be capable of delivering outstanding games and experiences. The final decision will really depend on what type of project you're building, on your skill set as well as the skill set of your team and your target audience. And before making a final decision, well, it makes sense to experiment with both engines and see how they satisfy your needs. Regardless of your choice, whether it's Unity or Unreal Engine, you will be on your way to join this exciting field of game development. However, if you think that game development is all rainbows and unicorns, you might be pretty wrong, and I would suggest you to check out one of my videos right here where I talk about the reasons why you should not go into game development. Trust me, you will discover something important for yourself. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I answer to everything that you write. Have a good day and see you.